I'm here getting ready for day 2 of Linamar's business leadership program. Days 1 and 2 are part of a full week, and they focus on strategic thinking, decision making. We learn cases and models, and we complete a simulation, which is lots of fun and chock full of learning, which is great. I helped Linamar design this program in 2012, so over a decade ago, and I'm always impressed every year since, except for COVID, when I've been back to facilitate. I've always been impressed with the high caliber of leaders who participate in this program, their dedication and commitment. It's a jam-packed week, and they throw themselves in 100%. There's a few curveballs we throw at them, which they always rise to the occasion. I suppose it's in part too because the executive team and the leadership team at Linamar is also committed to them. It's a big undertaking to do this program every year. Folks fly in from their global organization and spend a week here, so it's a big investment, time and money. But I also remember when we started the program all those years ago, we interviewed 𝗀𝗲𝗃𝗲𝗀𝗲, the CEO, and asked her, why are you investing in leadership development? And her response is, it just makes sense. And she's right. She talked about you can have the great strategy, the best strategy even, but if you don't have the leaders and the people to be able to execute on that, people with the skills and capabilities that you need, your strategy isn't going to go anywhere. So my question for you, I suppose, is lots of organizations have foundational leadership programs, but what do you have in place to help your leaders take their leadership journey to the next level?